Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Monday, November 21. Yes, it is the moment. Following RJ's excellent recommendation, we have removed the intake manifold and carbs to give us room, and we're raising the monster Hemi in preparation for installing her on her engine log. So we will put together a video that sort of stops and starts as we move along. Right now we're just lifting this 1,300 pound plus behemoth off the cradle, and the next step will be to get it, once we have it high enough, move the boat beneath it, and down it will come, and of course it will slide right in, as slick as can be. The challenge here is that the engine cannot fit through the engine hatch. We must start forward, set it down into the bilge, and then inch the boat forward, and of course it'll just slide as smoothly as can be beneath the engine bay bridge and onto its mounting hole. So we're about 2/3 as high as we need to be. Well, the moment of truth is upon us. We'll set her down on her engine logs, and then the challenge is to inch the boat forward so that the engine slides beneath the engine bridge, engine compartment bridge. There she goes. Just drop it in. He does fill up this space.
Go small. What are we hitting on? Just the motor, just the frame rails?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Push down. It'll pivot the front.
I know, you remember my stomach? I'm not pushing.
It'll stand. That's what
I'm not pushing on it.
That's what I meant, put weight down on it. With your foot or something.
Well, you can't. I can lift it.
Okay.
We need to block this end. We were to the thing. You could put the board right across here. Well, no, the one on the keel is probably better.
Put a 2-way across there.
Could, if you had a good 2-by. We can let this
Couple more?
No, we can let this end down, Reg, because this end's still gonna go down 4 inches more than the other end.
Right.
No, the other end's gonna go down when we get back there, so let's see if we can.
So we've got the engine sitting on the engine logs, but you see what's stopping us from going back further, just sliding it back, is the engine bay bridge. So we are moving the aft engine hanger forward, and then we should be able to gain 6 inches or so, at which point we'll move both of those hangers to the aft end of the engine with the chain falling through the engine bay, the hatch, at which point we should be able to lift it and set it back here where it needs to go. Well, there she's in place, roughly. Now comes the hard part because we've got to make sure she's absolutely square with the prop.
Let her down there.
But she's sitting on her engine mounts.
Keep going. How are your front ones?
My front one's good on this side, I can't see that.
Yep. We're pretty close to where we were. We're pretty close. Now it's a matter of the fuller one.
So, the 331 dual quad 4 Hemi is back in her engine bay. Next step will be lining everything, hooking up the prop,
Okay, we don't want
making sure that the coupler's absolutely square, and then we can put the rest of Voodoo Child together. With the 8 inches of snow we got in the mountains today, I guess we won't be going out on Lake Champlain this fall, because I think this fall has just become winter.
We'll take her down.
Thank you so much. Goodbye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.